What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Ethereum Classic ETC, which has pumped up just about 4% in the last 24 hours and nothing major guys. As you can see, it is currently trading at $23.53. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? As well as covering its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see the market is down just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And Ethereum Classic has managed to gain some sort of amount. As you can see, in the last hour, just about 0.5%, over the last day 4%, over the week 8%, even though it has been very volatile. As you can see, pumps and drops all over the place throughout the last 7 days, but overall it has managed to gain value. And over the month, 47%. As you can see guys, major pumps here earlier on in January, but ever since then it's been more or less maintaining its value. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $535 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ethereum Classic. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it right now, as it has been gaining a lot of attention. And obviously the market is down a little bit. If I go onto this website here, we can see most cryptos are red right now, and Ethereum Classic is one of those ones which has managed to gain value. But again, it's all about the long-term and short-term prediction, depending on how, what kind of trader you are. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ethereum Classic, which is $22.05 here in purple. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in red at $23.54, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we see here? The blue and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the negative direction. Again, it is looking very minimal. However, it is heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, it is going to be very minimal drops guys. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. As you can see, the lines are just about slanting in a negative direction. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to drop down to about $23 or just below $23. As I mentioned, nothing major. And again, we are also going to see green candles in between. It's likely to pump up to about $24 and then drop back down to about just below $23 towards the end of the day today. But again, as I keep saying, no major drops are expected. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, now we're looking a little bit more positive. We do have the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the positive direction. Again, they're not looking too steep at all either. So again, it's going to be minimal increases in value over the coming days. So over the next 7 to 8 days, let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting more increases from Ethereum Classic. Again, it is going to be minimal, potentially hitting about $25 by the end of next week is what I'm expecting. And again, this does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's going to take a little bit of a drop or a break, I call it, and then we're going to see green days where it's going to pump. But this of course means the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected towards the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're looking a little bit more bullish. This time we've got the blue line looking a little bit more steep, much more clearer. That is going in a bullish direction, and so is the orange line. So more increases in value are expected over the coming weeks from Ethereum Classic, potentially over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. Let's say end of March, early April 2023, I'm expecting Ethereum Classic to be trading around $36 to $37 is what my expectations are as of right now. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. A little news can have a major impact on the crypto market in general. So if there is a news or any updates or collaborations that I've got going on, that can either cause a potential crash or a bull run and a price bump, I will let you guys know as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Ethereum Classic. It's not a fast mover like most cryptos out there. It is a slow and steady increase in value. So again, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major increases in value anytime soon. What we essentially want is a slow and steady increase in value from Ethereum Classic, and hopefully we can do that over the coming weeks and months as well, and keep up for the rest of the year, potentially hitting about $100 towards the end of the year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to go to hit the resistance target here, which is $47.09, and I'm hoping we should be able to hit that by potentially May, June. By mid-year, we should be able to hit the resistance target and head into the green zone in the second half of the year, and hopefully hitting the $100 mark by Q4 of 2023 is what I'm predicting from Ethereum Classic if everything goes well. Obviously, that's taking into consideration the minimal drops in between as well. But again, $100 personally, it is possible from Ethereum Classic in Q4 of 2023. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethereum Classic, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023. Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also let me know, are you guys investing, are you guys selling, or are you guys just holding on to this crypto? Comment down below as well. Personally, guys, I did invest into this a couple of years ago. I haven't bought more, I haven't sold them. I'm just holding on to it. Just like most of my other cryptos, I'm into crypto for the long term, so I buy and just hold all the way. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.